Let me out. Let me out of this jail. Oh, I'm dying. Water.
Excuse me. You have a visitor. You have a visitor.
Visitor, are you sure? My visitor is right here. Right here. Water. Ow, you took me to the shit. Water. I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh, he's attacking me. He's freaking attacking me.
Very good, warden. Very good.
Water.
How about?
Water.
Here you go.
Water.
Ah! I tricked you. I tricked you.
So cool.
I
You
tricked
guys are
you.
so cool. So cool. Water.
Oh my God, we're like so wasting anyway.
Water.
You have the right to remain silent
Water.
in any and every language that you speak.
Water.
You are only allowed a drop of water per day.
Oh, drop. More.
That's too much drop for this. That was being kind because it was the holiday. That's
You
funny.
dropped most of it down my shirt. Give me some water. Please, I'm begging you.
No, no begging.
Please, I'm begging you.
No begging.
Water.
No. No. If you want some, you need to lick it off her. So go get to it. Yeah, you. Don't die, bird. Well, that's fitting. Bird in a cage. Shit! Stop this!
Stop there.